Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I am in Omonia Square. So, usually I film nice locations of Athens, but this time I want to show you the bad location of Athens. And a lot of people find this location cheap, like cheap hotels, and they don't watch the reviews. So I will show you and you will figure out yourself what you think about this area here. A little bit of history. This Omonia Square used to be the main square of Athens. Today the main square of Athens is Syntagma because it's near of the parliament, but this square was actually a very popular square. And it became a hotspot for immigrants and a lot of illegal activities. And when I came here in 2010, it was almost impossible to do anything here or pass here. You could, but you had to have your eyes open. And still today, it's not the safest area. I would definitely avoid this area, especially at nights. Like in the day you can come here if there is a need, if there is an office or something, or you want to withdraw or change currency, you can do that. But there is nothing else for you to do, especially if it's a family. That's the square. I will try to stay safe as possible. I'll go to some areas to show you what's going on, especially near hotels. Some hotels will not tell you that. And when you come at night, it happened to my friend. He booked a hotel, it was very cheap for the whole family. They came there and they were shocked what they saw. They couldn't believe their eyes. So I had to come and pick them up. And actually I found a cheaper hotel in Piraeus with similar price, a bit more expensive, maybe 10% more expensive. But it's in Piraeus, a little bit far away from the center, but it was night and day, the area itself. So join me checking this area. That's the metro station here. So now we're going through some corners of Omonia, which can be dangerous. Some areas the police cleaned. They're trying to clean their area because of tourism. Greece picked up, especially last year in 2023 and 2022. The tourism popped very nicely in Greece. So the government or the municipality of Athens, they're trying to clean the streets, but not everything is clean. You will decide yourself. I'm going to show you, and you will decide yourself if you want to stay in this area. I'll try to walk fast, not to get their attention. It's a little bit windy, so my apologies if you hear the wind. Omonia Square is on the left side. So that square over there is called Metaxourgio. It's also a popular square. It's a little bit lighter what we saw, but I would suggest avoid that as well. Only if you are very low on budget and you found something cheap, you can try it. But at least use Google Street Views or reviews of the hotel on different websites. So what you saw is 20% of what happens at night. Imagine what's going on at night. So at night, this is gonna be even more hectic. So it's your decision. You saw the video, you saw what I showed you, and you are going to decide if you're gonna stay in that area, if you're gonna avoid that area. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video in another location.